This is Johnny. He needs to cut some 1/4-inch wide lines in concrete for some wiring. That sure is a lot of dust. Did you really just stick your hand under that running saw? What is he up to now? Oh no, is he going to do what I think? That's an electric saw, Johnny. Water and electricity don't go together. There is a much easier and safer way. Let me show you. The Mongoose X from Engrave-A-Crete is the apex predator when it comes to concrete engraving. With high, wide traction wheels, flip-up pointers, a powerful 10.5 amp motor, and premium self-sharpening diamond blades, you will always stay on target with the Mongoose X. The vacuum port makes for virtually dust-free cutting. With the depth control screw, you can adjust the cutting depth on the fly. 20 threads per inch gives precise adjustment for accurate depth control. You can cut to a maximum of 1/4 inch deep. Visit Engrave-A-Crete.com to learn more about all of our decorative concrete tools, supplies, and training.